I'm very happy when she said yes because that marks na forever ko na siyang makakasama.
Katrina Marie, do you take rents here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Mami ka na, Nil. Mami ka na.
Parang perfect timing lang siya kasi yun yung time na tinatry ko na i-pick up yung sarili ko na mag-recover dun sa previous relationship. Tapos dun siya dumating.
Nung nalaman ko na end na yung current relationship niya, talagang pinursu ko agad siya because being with her every day on our class, alam ko na agad na magiging perfect yung combination namin. Since si Kat is yung calm, ako naman yung very hot-tempered. So with that contrast, alam ko na magiging perfect combination kami.
And I saw the peaks of my end that he probably meant for us.
Guys, meron pang erasure. I want to give this bracelet to you. Hindi maganda yung sulat. To commemorate our milestones and thank you for this wonderful journey with you that I'm sure will be forever. May message siya. All of me loves all of you.
But I would fake, I would hate, I would break every inch of my heart. But I would fake, I would hate, I would break every inch of my heart. But I would fake, I would hate.
Rents, do you take Katrina Marie here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Kat, so lagi ko sinasabi, bilisan mong kumilos at huwag kang malilate. And I promise na after nito, same lang din. Wala namang magbabago dahil napag-usapan naman natin na forever na tayong magkasama. I love you and see you later. I hope you like this gift. I'm giving you this gift as a thank you for all the time and effort that you are putting into our relationship. And to show how grateful I am, hindi na ako malilate lagi sa mga lakad natin. Char! I promise to spend the rest of my life showing how much I love you. Kat.
Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random?
Yung grateful ako is yung support na binibigay niya sa akin. Even yung mga personal na gusto ko. And even dun sa aming dalawa na plans, parehas niya kasing nasusupport or nababalance yun. So, very grateful ako na lagi rin siya nandyan to give advice and to support kung ano ba yung gusto ko and ano ba yung better sa aming dalawa.
Ay, lagi siyang nandyan to support me. Lalo na sa career namin. Well, yun sa nature of work kasi namin. As in, doon ko kailangan talaga ng support. Yung kapag pagod ka na, andun siya lagi para i-comfort ako, ganyan.
When the light disappears, and when these words insincere, you'll be safe here. When nobody is here, I'll scream with you. You'll be safe here.
Friends, thank you so much for being part of my life, for coming into my life. Nagkakilala tayo and we ended up marrying each other. I'm very happy that you're always there. And thank you for loving me and also loving my family as well. Lalo na si Yona. So ayun, kita ko naman na love mo siya and parang naging baby na din natin siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano ba dapat kong i-promise, pero masabi ko lang is I will love you with all of my heart for the rest of my life. Ayun, I love you.
Put your heart in my hands, you'll be safe here.
Lagi kang looking forward na umuwi kasi alam mong may uuwian ka. And yung feeling na nung nagsama kami, lagi mo na siyang hinahanap and hindi ka na sanay ng wala siya sa tabi mo. So yun yung nafe-feel ko na every time na lumalabas ako mag-isa, looking forward lagi akong umuwi kasi alam ko may nag-aantay sa akin.
Are you sure that you call me? I know it's all I got.
So Renz and Kat, tandaan nyo lang yung tatlo: faithfulness, perseverance, and fruitfulness. Just allow God to work in us. Do not control your life. Allow God to be there, to be the one, the guiding hand of your marriage. Your marriage is something very human, fulfilling the desire in your hearts to share your life and your love with one another.